Hey everyone, welcome back to Akshay's Little World. Today I have got something truly exciting. The brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium with 256 GB of storage. It's the most premium Apple phone ever. I can't wait to unbox it and share with you some of its key features. Let's get started. As always, Apple has nailed it with their minimalist packaging. The box is compact with the iPhone 16 Pro Max elegantly displayed on top. Now let's unbox this beauty. And now the most satisfying part. And there you have it, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Meet the iPhone 16 Pro Max in all its glory. Look at this finish. The black titanium looks absolutely stunning. It's darker, sleeker, and even more premium than the stainless steel of previous models. In the box, we have got the phone itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yes, Apple finally switched to USB-C, and no power adapter, of course, but we are used to that by now, right? Now back to the phone. The titanium frame is not only lighter but more durable than before. This makes the phone easier to hold despite its massive 6.9-inch display. Speaking of the display, it's a Super Retina XDR OLED with ProMotion 2.0 technology. That means buttery smooth animations, insane brightness levels, and deeper blacks than ever before. Let's quickly talk about the standout features. Titanium build. This is the first iPhone with a titanium frame. It is stronger, lighter, giving it a premium feel like no other. A18 Pro chip, the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. It's designed for peak performance and efficiency, making multitasking, gaming, and photography a breeze. And about the camera system, the Pro camera setup has a new main sensor for incredible low light photography, and you can now shoot 8K videos for cinematic quality content. As I mentioned before, finally Apple has embraced USB-C for iPhone 16 for faster data transfer and universal compatibility. And now about the battery life. Thanks to the A18 chip and larger battery, you're looking at all-day usage even with heavy tasks. So there you have it, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. First impressions? It's sleek, powerful, and has a ton of features which make it a standard upgrade. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just love a premium design, this phone has it all. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new black titanium finish and which feature you're most excited about. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and comparisons coming soon. That's all for us today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.